Hi there. Lance Crane, the director of the Release Technique here. Imagine a life where nothing holds you back, where financial freedom, peace, and limitless potential become your everyday reality. Now you can make that dream a reality with our brand new Release Technique packages. Introducing the Ultimate Transformation Packages and the Flexible Packages. The Ultimate Transformation Package includes a full 90-day program, 2 live or virtual retreats, a 30-day financial freedom and life mastery telecourse, and 1 additional telecourse of your choice. In addition, 2 powerful online home study courses. And if that is not enough, you get 3 months of exclusive CAP membership portal access. That is a savings of 63% off. Or choose the flexible package that includes a full 90-day program, 1 live or virtual retreat, and a telecourse of your choice that is a total savings of 37% off. So go to releasetechnique.com and then click on live classes to see these amazing super deluxe packages. Come and join us on Feb 18th for the incredible 90-day that is included in both these packages. You can call us in the office at 818-279-2438 for payment plans or to answer any questions you might have on these packages. Thanks for listening.